So this is the Yoolax roller blinds that we are going to install today. This window has a blind which needs four brackets to support it. So I'm just going to show where it goes in. The instruction manual says that you go 5 inches from the edges of the thing, and then on the center mounts we bisect the distance between the furthest two and get to the center. So here what we have done is we have marked it with pencil a spot which is 5 inches and got in the drilled hole here. The depth of this mount is about 2 inches, 2.5 inches. So this goes completely in. Similarly, we have the second, third, and the fourth one. Go. So the mountain clips for the Yoolax roller shades are in. We have four of them here, and all of them hooked in securely, held by a single screw. And here's the shades, and that's what goes in.